weird.
Oh look, Thundy's doing tracks.
Green team,
Not for long.
reorg up towards the
After that,
bridge.
tracks what?
You're going to be at
I said your tracks got stolen.
Things you don't need in PHQ's RG31 when
And then I just started laughing.
Was it red? I couldn't hear that. Ah, it was green, man.
Copy, we're just clearing. All good. Yep, all good. Just clearing this compound.
Hey, Thunder, I'm gonna get a drink real quick.
Yeah, there's an ocean there.
Roger that. 1 second.
Ocean, Thunder, you obviously have never studied geography. It's a fucking river!
It's salt. It's got salt. It's an ocean.
It's not, what? How do you know it's got...
Hey, no, it doesn't. Go taste it.
Oh, who's this dude?
Oh, there are idiots up here, don't worry. Oh, this is a guy who had a cell phone.
Yeah, chief.
There's more contacts, 085, east, range, 1281, down the bank.
Well, that's
Yeah,
all
I
right.
saw.
I don't know how they're getting across,
Not here is bad.
across the ocean.
Hey, team, what's your
Cross the river, I don't know, swim, come down here, use the bridge, Thunder, I don't know.
It's gonna take a while.
This compound's clear.
There's another group, 094725.
Over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, which way are we going? Are we going across the ocean?
I don't know, but there's
North.
across the river. River. I will argue this. It's a river. Hey, you think you're funny, don't you, Thunder?
to that compound?
I think you're real funny.
Fun?
I hope you go drown in the river.
Roger that.
I'll be rolling along.
Once you
wish I
clear
could
to
shoot
pull
you.
back, the RG31's here. Start
They
depositing.
will be out
If
of
you do,
water.
you get
That.
Doesn't stop me from Oh, Thunder, you're injured. Let me give you some morphine there, buddy.
They're bringing that up the same time they bring up our bit. So they're just repairing it now, so it shouldn't be too far away. I'll get on the blower and get them. Give me an update on how long it'll be.
Andrew, do you happen to know off the top of your head what stuff we should be dumping in the RG31?
Echo
Because
Fox
I haven't
message
done
over.
diving before, so I'm not sure.
Fox, ETA
Guys,
on
what
Bradley
about
being delivered
what
along
the,
with diving gear, so Charlie can commence
Oh, more
clearance.
diving.
Over.
but hang on to the rest of
So
it.
they're clearing?
Put it just now, once this, you can hold on to your tools, but basically once you take your scuba gear, before you take your scuba gear, you'll dump your entire gear.
Oh, they're looking for more caches under water.
Fox acknowledges, thanks to the ATA, Fox out.
What are they clearing, Blitz?
Diving gear.
They're clearing diving gear. Good talk.
They're getting diving gear, Thunder.
Well,
Is that better English for you there, mate? Mate?
What are they clearing underwater from? What, caches?
Caches? Yeah, duh.
Well, I think we're going to be not doing much of the rest of this up, I guess.
Well, Thunder, if you want to go do something, why don't you go across the river and kill the enemies, huh?
We can't.
Why not? Why not, Thunder?
We can't be pushing.
Well, why is that, you know? You should go push. You have a gun. Oh wait, you don't even need to. Why don't you just shoot them from here? Hmm? We're only 700 meters away, Thunder. Huh?
On the start, they haven't shot us first, so.
Last week, I remember they're like ammo style boxes, wooden sort of 80s.
Just gonna sit. If a guy wants to sit.
Ha. Ha. Ha.
Reptile, I need some help. Never
Who
mind.
blew up?
Reptile, he doesn't need help, he's over-exaggerating.
Zip tied.
He's exaggerating.
You got zip tied.
He's hallucinating. Oh shit!
No, zip tied to the house. focus on that one area.
And that's an NCO.
NCR.
NCO, not MCI. Get your dick back in your pants.
Well, I'm kind of stuck. So I think, can you?
Reptile, why'd you zip tie him? What are you doing?
I thought I unzipped behind you.
Thunder move. Thunder get out of the corner. Thunder get out of the corner. Thunder get out of the corner. Get out of the corner. Thunder get out of the corner.
The ocean.
You go walk into the ocean. I dare you to walk in the ocean.
Excuse me, look.
I think you'll enjoy the ocean.
But I'll need a pack.
Coming.
I need a pack to break my arm out.
Got more contacts coming from the north.
That man had an RPG and was
Binos out.
yeah. That Binos an RPG staring at me, and either way he's dead now.
Actually, that's what.
Yeah, one of those guys definitely just binos pulled out. I don't know if you had a chance to report anything.
In the uniform box, you need the wetsuit, the diving goggles, and the retriever.
You can see through the hole here. It's Chicky's house.
Yeah, that's why I was telling Thunder to move.
Oh wait.
Does everyone from Charlie diving?
So what's with the story about the guy down below? The green guy.
He designated an ID. That did nothing.
He's just a guy being a dude, is he?
Yep. Gotcha. Unlike Retro, it will never be a dude.
No, I don't need to be a dude.
Just so.
I'm a Chad.
Alright, green team, once you're queued up, come rally up on me on the east side over here with red.
What do you need a latch?
I'll give a quick briefing and then we'll start moving.
Why don't you need a lat tube, huh?
We're not allowed to carry lat tubes.
Well, whose problem's that?
Actually, are we? No, I'm not.
I don't think so. If we're allowed to carry lat tubes, I'd have one.
I thought we allowed one, or maybe it was wait ages ago.
Wow, real mature Thunder.
Fuck.
I know it was you.
How could it be me? I'm sitting.
Because you still have arms.
Possibly.
Reptile's got like T-Rex arms, he can't reach.
I got a big head and little arms.
Midget's having issues with joining.
Richard had issues last night.
Yeah, he was having issues last night. Probably going to be really angry today.
We've got a vehicle coming in northeast down the road.
That's not very cash money.
Got 2 vehicles coming in, troop trucks. Or troop techies.
Lat tube, rocks.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Got a latch tube, bro?
Say again, Blitz? You're gonna need that lat tube in a second. If it comes right up the road.
Right up the road.
Just
Shoot
tell
him,
me
shoot
where
him,
you
shoot
shot,
him.
fella.
Possibly.
Yeah, I've got it. Why?
This vehicle's coming in.
I only dropped one guy off.
Oh, he dropped 2.
That was interesting.
Is the rest of the session fog over the top like anything? That's cool. So there you go. So you guys would do like a search
Just search. If you don't find anything, don't know.
If you can do it, I'll be more than impressed.
Oh, that was quick.
There should be. There was stuff missing, but Star Shot that went up.
Did his best day?
Alright, easy done. Everyone kitted? Is all set?
The engine on the ground.
I got all that. Driver, looking for
You're all
shit.
set,
Find
come on
shit,
over,
blow
guys.
up.
Yeah, so once you find a
The two groups across the river have gone active. While they're walking around like they're
Alright, Charlie, rally up.
waiting to be shot at.
Mel? Oh,
Anyone else
around
start
like
going
moving,
in?
are you?
Yeah, the ones at the back have also gone prone.
If you get a reflex that guy at some point, that'd be appreciated.
That's what? That's 1.2k.
The other one's 700.
Oh, they're coming. I know.
Oh, he's just spinning around.
Are they in the water?
So, Mike,
Nice. Do this.
yeah, what's up?
No, I just took a
Are
lead
they
shot.
going in the water?
Yeah.
Let's get that back to Bush.
Is anyone rolling with us? Alright, no. Sure, if it's Alright, 101, you're in charge of the Vic. One Vic can gun, one strike.
Hell yeah.
No, one Vic, that one.
Yeah, the one over there, guys. It's got all the gear in it.
I think good luck.
Alright, green team, just give us time to get across the bridge. Once we're across, you guys can, or if you want to step in and start making your way out to about the middle, once we're across, we'll start moving up.
Hell yes.
So yeah.
No worries, but very, very poor visibility, so no guarantee we're going to find anything.
Yeah, I'll say what I can.
Moving.
It's definitely not the second.
Yeah, search me. I walk around the Vic sector, right?
Tracking on Terrence, it's just confirming like
You're gonna join in the party, Richard?
No, I'm taking pictures of idiots.
Doesn't know how to sit.
Oh, I know how to sit. Yeah, I just like keeping security whilst we get shot at.
Easy done. If you want to make,
I'm sure if you take a picture of me, I'll fucking put it as a
just change
avatar. TeamSpeak.
Doesn't have to be Mike 002.
That's kind of gay.
Come pick it up wherever you
I don't fucking know. I've got nothing there.
Then put something there. Go find something and put it there.
Always put some weeb shit there.
Yeah, just
Yeah, we'll stay with you. Since we need our vehicle back before we really do anything.
Alright, ground team, if you have a quick look at your map, you'll see that
Okay.
spotted out.
024 Retro 436 out. There's a guy crouching behind a rock. It was the dude that we saw earlier up on the hill.
So,
Yeah.
and there's a lot of hilly open ground.
I don't know, 024 Thunder? Where?
Retro.
No,
Okay,
it's
boys,
not.
what's going to happen now is
Nick
we're
behind,
just packing up the recovery vehicle down south
Shoot it?
at the moment.
Oh.
No.
We'll get it up here to fix our vehicle. Once it's fixed,
Because he hasn't shot at us.
push up and help the rest of
Where are we looking?
Charlie. Actually,
Over there.
Retro Rocks, do you want to go attach to them now?
Oh.
Then I'll just bring the vehicle up later.